Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE REVIT tutorial. Before we proceed with the session, as usual, let's browse through our web page here, bimklue.teachable.com. We have a series of pre-recorded Revit tutorials teaching you from basic to advanced step by step, okay? The prices are all very affordable. We have electrical, cooling load analysis, swimming pool services, including plumbing and piping modeling, pipe accessories, and mechanical equipment modeling, okay? We have also HVAC system modeling courses, and then even we have architecture step-by-step modeling, okay? Our students are all around the world, so let's click on our web page here to have a look, okay? It's one of our course page, and we have a series of pre-recorded tutorials, hours of tutorial getting used from the scratch to advanced level, okay? Whatever you need here or will be teach here, okay? So this is our course pages. So the wonderful thing is whenever you sign up our courses, then you can start to ask us a question along the way when you are learning Revit here, okay? So we will provide you guidance and support answering your question. Make sure you understand the content provided here, okay? Without dragging much time, let's go back to our tutorial here. So based on previous tutorial, I've modeled our lighting, our socket outlet, and switches, okay? I've placed here all around this house. Let's see what I've done. I have 6 numbers of lighting in this living room. I have 1 switches here, our 3 switches here, 1 switch controlling this access, another switch control this 6 lightings, and another one control this 6 number of lighting. Balcony, we have also a switch controlling this. Bedroom, we have 1 switch controls 4 numbers of lightings. And bedroom number 2, we have 1 switch control 4 numbers of lightings. And in the kitchen, we have also 1 switch control this lighting and yard also. And this one, we have 1 switch control this one, and another switch again control this. This is mostly commonly called as a two-way switch, okay? So definitely we can have a different legend here. Just add a number 2 here to indicate it as a two-way switch, okay? You can do so by using the same steps here that I've taught you previously. On top of that, we have also socket outlets here for your TV, socket outlet here maybe for your corner lighting, another socket for your balcony, and then sockets for your kitchen and your yard here, maybe for your washing machine, and your bedroom number 2, and your bedroom number 1 for your TV, and or both here for your bedside table, okay? So by going to the 3D view, let's explore this house. Okay, this is our entrance, and we have 3 switches here to control the lighting as what I've taught here just now. Okay, so this one, living room, we have a socket outlet here and then switches, and then this one for your TV. Then this one is for your common purpose here, general purpose socket outlet for your cleaning. And then this one is most likely is your only place for a dining table. So this is the place for your socket outlets here. You might need a socket outlet here. Then the lighting switches, the height of the lighting switch is 1.2. And then the socket outlet are at 300 mm from the floor, okay? And this one for the kitchen socket outlet coordination is very important. And this is for your fridge, and and then this is for your oven, and then this is all your equipment like your blender, your air fryer, this kind of things. Okay. On top of that, if I click on this cabinet here, you can see some socket outlets underneath this countertop here. Okay, this is for your cooker, and then this is for your food waste disposal maybe, and then this is definitely for your kitchen hood. Okay, and then for yacht, okay, you can't place your socket outlets at 300 mm from the floor. You better put it higher for your washing machine and or maybe for your filter. Okay, because if you are putting too low, maybe it will create a short circuit issue, because this most likely is a wet area. Okay, so this and on top of that, when you're coordinating all these kind of switches, you better be careful with the door jamb size. Make sure it's not too close with the door jambs. Okay, so back to the layout plan here. If you cut the section view here for your kitchen, you can see all the socket outlets placed here nicely. Okay, we have also previously uploaded a video for this socket outlet coordination in the kitchen. Okay, you can have a browse through our channel previous videos to have a look here. Okay, so these are all these electrical services distribution around this house. Okay, another one is we are missing one kitchen sink here. We better go back to this architecture modeling, just edit family, and we look inside our basin, our sinky family. Okay, sink and tap. Okay, from the reference level, we place our sink and tap here. So rotate it 180, then place somewhere here. So this is our sinky and water tap. Make sure it's above the countertop. So when you go back to the 3D view, so this is the basin tap. Okay, so when you see this, most likely you need to create a void to cut through this countertop to allow you to have a void here for this sinky. Okay, so let's go back to the reference level. You need to use the void tool to create a void extrusion. Okay, let's cut through a void over here. Okay, then from the front view, let's make sure it's like this, then cut through everything. Let's go back to the 3D view to have a look. So this is my void. And of course you can also properly model your kitchen cabinet or cubicle family to make sure that you have really have an empty space inside your cabinets. Okay, so this is a quick method. And before that, of course, you need to click on this family, and then you need to assign the material for that for this. Okay, you can create a stainless steel sinky material. Then this is the water tap material. Apply. Okay, then you load it back to your project. Alright. Okay, this is your kitchen sink with the water tap. Okay, so if you click through this and then you edit type, then you need to assign the material for this sinky. Then you click on here, material, stainless steel. Stainless steel. Okay, use this. Stainless steel. Then this one, water tap. Stainless steel also, but with the nicely polished finish. Use this polish. Apply, then okay. Then you have a nice sync key. Okay. Then you save the project, save your architecture project. Then you reload it here. Manage link, reload. Okay, then you have your sync over here. Okay, so that's easy. So next one, I need to assign a switch system for this lighting. I'm going to create, select all this lighting and then select my switch, which is this one. So when I select everything here, I know the switches. The switches is served for all this kind of lighting here. Okay, select switch. This is the switch. So when you can't select detect the switch system, let's check through your switch here. Edit type, edit family. Then you from here, family category and parameters. Make sure you assign your part as a switch. Okay. Then load it back to your project. Override the existing. Then you now you assign again. Select switch. So if you still can't detect this switch, make sure you go back to the ID family again to check. Then you place your electrical connector over here. Assign the connector to balance and then classification, lighting, voltage according to your country standards. Okay, and load it back to your project. Override it. Then you can select the switches, press on the tab key here to rotate your selection. Then whenever you highlight everything here, then you just click and then you select switch like this one. Okay, so this switch system successfully assigned with a dotted line. Okay, so now you repeat this 6 numbers, select everything here, select switch to here. So when you select the 6 numbers, this one, okay, select switch to this one. Now you can successfully assign the lighting switch to here. And these 6 numbers, switch, then select switch, select the second one. So this is the lighting switch. Then this one, switch, select switch, the first one. And these 2, switch, select this one. This one, switch, select switch. These 4 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't select switch. Maybe you have accidentally assigned. Okay, accidentally assigned one of the lighting to edit system. Okay, then you need to add to the system this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then select switch. This one. Finish. Okay. These 2, switch, select switch. This one. Okay. For the two-way switch, Revit only limit for you to select only one of the switch. Okay, either this one or this one. You can't connect to both. Okay, so that's the limitation. So it doesn't matter. So just the indication for the switch. When you click on the press on the tab key, you can know where are the switches. controlling which lighting. Okay, so for this two, okay, this two, then switch, select switch, select this one. Okay, so that's how you assign your switching system. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this session. Thanks for joining.